is the daily weather briefing for South Texas for Tuesday, September 2nd. I'm meteorologist Rob Hart, and today's briefing will focus on Tropical Storm Dolly. As of this morning, Tropical Storm Dolly was located roughly 145 miles to the east-southeast of La Pesca, Mexico. Maximum sustained winds were at about 50 miles per hour, and imagery this morning indicated deep tropical thunderstorms surrounding the center of Tropical Storm Dolly. Now, Dolly is forecast to move to the west-northwest through the remainder of today and make landfall tonight across northeastern Mexico, with the storm staying well to the south of the United States. Impacts we can expect across South Texas, not expecting any wind threat of significance, only maybe 20 to 25 mile per hour winds with any showers and thunderstorms. Rainfall amounts will be increasing through the next several days. We can expect daily rain chances beginning today and pretty much continuing through the rest of the shortened work week and into the weekend. Locally, heavy rainfall will be possible, but we are not expecting widespread flooding at this time. On average, most of South Texas can expect 1/2 to about 1 inch of rain through the remainder of the week, though isolated higher amounts will be possible due to the tropical nature of the atmosphere. One of the more significant impacts we can expect will be along Gulf-facing beaches, in which the rip current risk will remain high through at least the middle of the week, and probably still an elevated risk of rip currents through the rest of the work week. Now, some minor tidal overflow will also be possible along the Gulf beaches tonight. As high tide occurs late tonight, we'll also see an increase in swell, which may help push water to the dunes briefly in isolated spots, with the best chances of that happening being to the south of Port Aransas and especially across Padre Island. Rainfall amounts again averaging around 1/2 to 1 inch of rain across South Texas. Again, this is for today through the remainder of this week. Higher amounts will be well to the south of the area, down in the valley, and across the international border across northeastern Mexico, closer to the center of Tropical Storm Dolly. So the overall forecast for today and the next several days will start out with a mix of sun and clouds, with isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms developing each day, with a few showers and storms continuing into the overnight hours. Afternoon highs will generally be in the mid to upper 90s, though if we see showers and thunderstorms move over your location, highs may be tempered into the upper 80s. And again, an increase in swell will continue to keep a moderate to high risk of rip currents through the latter half of the week. For the very latest weather information, check out our website at weather.gov/Corpus Christi, and for the latest from the National Hurricane Center, you can go to hurricanes.gov.